Hi everyone, it's Arlene Smith, and I cannot tell you how excited I am, kind of woohoo, to be back with my first Wednesday webinar in quite some time. In order to give you something new and different, I've been out looking around to see what's the hot thing on the ceramic industry nowadays, and I think I've come up with something that you'll have a good time with and that you have not done before. If you look at my project here, it's has lots of flowers on it, hibiscus flowers, lots of different leaves, and of course a toucan. The thing that's nice about this is a lot of us would be very intimidated by all these flowers and leaves because we don't feel that we're advanced enough in order to complete a project like this. But let me tell you, with the product I've found out there, let me tell you, you'll have no problems whatsoever. Like I said, they're hibiscus, so there's 3 different sizes of hibiscus. I have several different sizes of leaves on there, a small little flower, and of course the toucan and the branch are actually painted with a brush, and it's almost like a color by number. So this is a pretty easy project even for a beginner to complete. So I know you'll have a good time with it. The product that I found that are the flowers is called sponges. And let me show you one here. Let me see, I need to look over here so I can see if you can see it on the camera. So you can see how intricate that is. Because these sponges are so condensed, they can get some really intricate carvings on these sponges. And that's what gives you this beautiful look on the hibiscus. So I know you'll have a great time. I know it'll be something new and different for you. I'm going to show you different ways that the sponges can be used, how you can, double load color, triple load color, single load color, whatever it is you want to accomplish on there. And of course, like I said, the toucan and the branch, it's like a color by number paint with a brush. So this is a very easy project for the beginner as well as fun for the advanced person. So please plan to join me. That's on June 17th. That's a Wednesday. It'll be at 8 o'clock on the East Coast and 5 o'clock on the West Coast, or please check the time zones in your area. It's easy to register. Just go to ceramicarts.com and sign up for the webinar now, and if for some reason you can't make it that night, you still will have the ability to go back and watch the complete video, plus you'll get instructions, patterns, photos, and anything else you need that will help you to complete this project. So I hope you plan to join me. That is again Wednesday, the 17th of June. I look forward to seeing you all then. Till then, God bless.